welcome Ms. Sarah Geronimo being part of the Oppo family. Now, in terms of next project expectations, our marketing and brand team are still in discussions. So as and when we do have further, confirmed projects, we will be making our announcements, especially through online. So stay tuned. Please follow our Twitter or Facebook account where we will be giving our pins of upcoming projects.
Marami po sa mga kabayan natin naghahanap ng phones na talagang affordable and yet has good quality. So perfect yung Oppo Mera 5. And also yung pong follow-up lang po dun sa question of the new Oppo Mera 5. So, yeah.
The contract signing is now finished.
The smartphone arena, which is quite difficult because Oppo is a late runner in the game, and you think you can help in pushing it further?
Yeah, hopefully,
Kahit Tagalog po.
Oo, hopefully, malaki na may bigay ko ng contribution as the newest endorser for Oppo. Like what I've said earlier, kasi on the go po ako ng tao, lagi ako nasa trabaho. So, talagang very useful yung ganitong klase ng Android na phone na ang daming functionalities, ang daming features na talagang kinakailangan ko para sa trabaho ko and also for my personal life. So, yun, so nakikita nila akong ginagamit yung phone and also pag mabigyan ng pagkakataon na bilang pag-share, pagbahagi ng blessings, makapamigay rin tayo ng mga phones, diba? So, yun.
Today, to be updated sa technology or maging tech sila. And ano yung advice mo para maging responsible youth sila ngayon?
Oo, mahirap yung question. Depende sa age bracket eh. Kasi meron certain age, halimbawa, siguro para sa akin, tama na yung age na 18 para magkaroon ka ng sariling cellphone. Kasi parang ka na, teenager ka na, mas aware ka na sa kung ano man yung pwede mo makita sa internet, sa social media, mas responsible ka na, may awareness ka na. Alam mo na rin kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung mali na natitignan mo sa internet, di ba? So, yun, kumbaga, lang po, responsible na pag-handle lang siguro sa mga gadgets. And ang may say naman dyan ay mga magulang, di ba?
Yung mga, continued mo ba sa The Voice na bigyan mo ng Oppo?
Pwede. Oo.